What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today, I've been doing a little shopping at Mattel Creations, picking up some stuff for my Barbies. As in $60 worth of plastic chairs for the dollhouse. Say what now? In this set, we're getting 5 chairs, so that comes out to be about $12 per chair if we do the math. I bought this chair on Amazon for about $12 a while back, so I probably shouldn't complain at a per unit cost. I bought this chair for $11.99. It ended up being too large. Now, those 2 chairs were made of metal, so here is a plastic one that I paid $7.99 for. It's a basic little folding chair. We can find chairs similar to this one for about $13 on Amazon and about $15 for this one. Both are a pretty good size for a Barbie. And the shape of this one looks similar to the chairs that were in Barbie the movie. I paid $25 for this one. I thought it had a pretty cool vibe. These 2 chairs came as a set for about $15.50. So that's a little under $8 per chair. And currently, this one can be found for about $10 to $11 on Amazon and looks pretty similar to that one. The box says Adult Collector, so let's check out those chairs. They are so pink! What's this? Oh, we get a certificate of authenticity by Mattel Creations. The packaging seems designed for easy removal. There are no plastic tie-downs, and we can easily put them back in for storage. On the bottom of the chair, it says Kartell X Barbie, and it does appear to be on all of them. For this chair, the top is see-through and the base is solid. Ooh, I like the backrest and the armrest on this one, and it has kind of a matte finish. This one is a little glossy. Oh, that's kind of cool. And this one is all see-through. If I place it next to the one from Amazon, it is slightly taller and a little wider. Let's see how these chairs look in a small doll room. I put up a few of our walls and added a plant to create a space where we can really show off these chairs. Here's our Barbie in the chair. We can definitely have some fun posing them for photography. Wow, this pink is so bright, but I do love the shape of that chair. This one sits a little lower than the last one. The doll's feet easily touch the floor. It's compatible with a playline table. Very cute chair. I would have loved if we had 2. Here is the shiny pink chair. I don't know what it is, but I love doll chairs. For some reason, when I look at this chair, I'm just seeing cat ears. And it's too cute. I think this one sits a little higher, but we can still clear a doll table. And here is the pink clear chair, perfect for a doll dining room or an office. And it still works with the table. For $25, I picked up some Barbie style fashion packs. And that's each. They're $25 each. So this here was $75. Before we get started, I'm going to remove her pink lipstick. Then dry brush on a soft red. I line her lips with a little watered down burnt umber. Then I brushed on a thin watered down Mod Podge to seal it, to switch up her look. Just like we are about to do with these fashion packs. Barbie style on Instagram often shows fashion that I wish I had. So the fact that they're making fashion packs now is kind of awesome. But $25 is kind of a lot. It's about the price of a Barbie extra doll, but without the doll. And doesn't that necklace look similar to stuff we've seen with Barbie extra? We are getting packaging that we can use to store our doll clothes. It's a little drawer. We get a certificate of authenticity letting us know that this is gold label, with no more than 20,000 units worldwide. This is the Barbie Core Fashion Pack. Everything comes individually wrapped, and there are no little plastic ties going through the clothes. Whoa, that jacket is lined. Like, completely lined. We have a Barbie clothing tag there or label, a pink skirt with pockets, but you might not want to put your doll keys in there. We have a pink top that has no opening in the back, but it does have a little stretch. The skirt is pretty snug and it snaps in the back. Okay, not too bad. The pink puffer coat is really nice, in my opinion. Let's add the included white boots. Those look really nice. They have a split in the back. We get 3 plastic necklaces, which you could probably search through your doll collection to find something similar. There's a gold-colored plastic watch, a plastic purse. Personally, I would have loved to have seen a fabric purse like we've seen with other Barbie-style dolls, silver sunglasses, and a pink phone showing Barbie Style's Instagram. I may sound a little critical, but honestly, I am loving this. I really like the quality of the clothing, and I'm eager to see more. Like Plaza Core, which also comes with a certificate of authenticity. We get a white top that looks like it velcros in the front. It is lined with tulle on the inside. It has darts in the front and faux pearl buttons. Paired with a black and white skirt, it's hemmed at the top and bottom, has snaps in the back. I like the length. There's a matching jacket with a little pearl there. There's a snap behind it. It's lined on the body and not the arms, which works so we don't lose any range of motion. However, my jacket is a little snug at the snap, but that could just be my experience and yours could be different. There's a ribbon with Velcro that we can attach at the neck or wear the included pearl necklace. The necklace is plastic, but I love it. We get a plastic pearl bracelet, a black and gold purse. It's a purse we've seen before, but I think it looks really cute with this look. There are black sunglasses, a felt beret that looks kind of cute with some bangs. Or we can go with a black headband, which looks really nice too. However, take care if using it on braids. And to finish the look, we have white shoes with black painted details. I think this is a very cute look. This one was at the top of my must-have list, and I just love the little ribbon. It's an inexpensive detail, but super cute, and something you can totally DIY at home. The headband was a little tight for this doll. I feel like it was squeezing her head, but on some of my other dolls, it was fine. Our last fashion pack is Tennis Core, where I feel like this one is going to give us some really cute pieces. We get a certificate of authenticity, we get a blue top with one shoulder strap, a white pleated tennis skirt with no pleats on the back, and built-in undergarments. I think this is pretty cute and sporty. Both of these items Velcro in the back. We get a V-neck sweater with blue at the neck and at the bottom. It has snaps in the back. It has a loose fit. We can add the included socks, cream-colored sneakers, which are the same style as the ones that come with the pink tie-dye fashion pack. We get a pink baseball cap with the letter B, shiny gold earrings, perfect for a doll with factory pierced ears, black sunglasses, a gold-colored necklace, a silver-colored watch, and a white fabric tote bag with a tennis logo and the year 1959. From the tote bag to the socks to the sweater, this is a really cute look and I'm loving the color palette. I would love to see looks like this translated into Playline. A lot of the accessories are already there. Barbie Extra has a similar skirt, then pair it with like a hoodie or a sweatshirt to get that tennis core vibe, because I'm liking where the fashion is going. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few things from Mattel Creations. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.